G'day folks, Benno here, got for the shed. Well today, just working on the XJ 900 again. I've got the head pulled off and the barrels pulled off, and I've pretty much found what's causing the low compression. It's had a gut full of water. You can see a little bit, there's a couple of little rust spots in there, and there's a bit of scoring, but it's nothing that a hone won't tidy up. I've measured up the bore sizes, and they're pretty good actually. There's 67 mil on all of them, which is stock, and the pistons come in at 67. These pistons, they seem pretty good. Might pull them out, clean them up, but yeah, new set of rings. Quick hone in here. So it's had water in there. Valves on 1 and 2 are great. Valves on 3 and 4, well, yeah, that's a different story. I can't get any clearance under them, but I'll pull them out and I'll see whether a lap in will help. Otherwise, I'll replace at least the exhaust valves on that one, on 2 and 3. Sorry, not 2 and 3, 3 and 4. It's looking a bit more promising than I thought it was going to. It's got leaky seals and O-rings mostly from the, I think it's the oil pressure sender, and there's another sender of some description there. I'm not quite sure what that does. I'll have to look it up. But they were both leaking. They're just both on O-rings and in the bottom of the engine. That's the cam chain adjuster, and I don't know if you can see. It's pretty heavily worn, so I'll be replacing that definitely. That one's pretty much knackered. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with what I've found inside this motor so far, which is a damn sight better than what I was expecting. No movement on the big ends. I'm pretty sure that the bottom end of this motor is quite good. Yeah, a couple other things I've got to do to this bike, and I'll just quickly show you over here. I don't know if you can see this frame. Its subframe's been broken at some stage, and it's got a really dodgy repair on it, so I'm going to have to cut that off and redo it properly. It probably wouldn't break as it is, but it's just ugly and I don't like it. The tank has got the obligatory leaks. Just in here, there's a hole there, rust up there. It's got repairs, dodgy repairs on the inside, which I'm going to have to redo as well. And the inside of this tank is, it's pretty, I don't know if you can see it. So hopefully you can see what the inside of that's like. Spider webs and rust and crap, and so it's going to have to have a full reco on the on that tank. Alright, that's it for today, guys. Catch you later. Don't work too hard.